Today I discuss about how to solve HP LaserJet or all-in-one printer no display problem. This printer HP LaserJet M126nw no display problem. This printer front panel Xerox bottom not working and no display. At first plug out one screw and open side cover. There is a cable which is connected with display. Plug out this cable. This cable is dirty or rust. Now clean this cable. Plug in this cable properly and carefully. Now on this printer. Now display coming. And printer working okay. I test a Xerox. Just coming okay. I test a Xerox. Now Xerox printing coming okay. Thank you for watching.